So you created a fake account by the name of Marissa, and he was telling Marissa how much money he makes?
He fell for the bait.
Isn't that illegal, Your Honor?
Which part?
All of it.
No. We'll get to you in just a second because I have a lot of questions just based off of that. Marissa. So allegedly, he told Marissa.
All right, guys, this case is on another level. A mom comes back to court with a jaw-dropping twist. She catfished her ex to dig up his secret income. What started as a simple child support hearing quickly spirals into fake profiles, hidden cash, and explosive emotions. But when the judge starts peeling back the truth, the whole case takes a shocking turn.
It was a little extreme. So he actually makes $4,000 a week, and I've got that proof right here for you.
Okay. All right, so that's an additional, if true, it's an additional $16,000 a month. Let's look through here. Okay. And you're wanting an increase of his child support. You do this much talking? Oh, hold on.
Yep, you heard that right. She actually created a fake profile under the name Marissa just to catch him slipping with proof of his money. Now ask yourself, is that determination or straight-up deception? And when the judge questioned whether that was even legal, the whole courtroom froze. Would you go that far to prove someone's lying?
Would you spell your last name for me?
Yes, Your Honor. C-O-T-T-Y.
All right. Is it Cotty?
Cotty.
Okay. Mr. Cotty.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your
What's
Honor.
going
Excuse me.
on? What's going on? And when I'm asking that question, I'm not looking for, what happened in your relationship and went wrong. We've already established that. There's a court order that says you're supposed to pay $768 a month, okay?
$1,000 a week. That's what she says he's pulling in now. She even brought screenshots. But here's the kicker. Those captions came from his own social media posts. If they're real, his earnings are way higher than what he reported. But here's the big question. Can social media really stand as proof of income in a courtroom?
That's my assistant speaking on my behalf.
So it is true.
It's my assistant speaking on my behalf.
Mr. Cotty, you show up to court for the first time today, and the first thing you want to do is waste my time.
No, Your Honor. No.
Please
no.
do not come in here and waste my time. It's a very straightforward question. If they're posting on your behalf, that means what they are posting is true. Yes or no?
Correct.
Okay.
Now it's his moment. He strolls in full confidence, calling himself a rapper and business owner, claiming he only makes about $60,000 a year. But the judge isn't buying the show. She cuts straight to the point. Are you earning this money personally, or is it your business? That single answer could flip the entire case.
Just go to the hospital when I need to go.
Can you get access to health insurance coverage? Because right now you're reimbursing her $150 for coverage.
I thought they ended Obamacare.
Okay, so this is the way it works. That's not private health insurance.
Oh.
Private health insurance is something that you have and that you pay for every month. That's what she's doing.
Oh.
The children have to be covered.
How much that cost?
And here's where it all crumbles. When asked if he made those posts, he first blames his assistant, then slips and admits the captions do reflect real income. Right there, he dug his own hole. That's a legal landmine. Imagine trapping yourself like that right in front of the judge.
Right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so that means she would be the one that is entitled to receive the child support from you. And it is based strictly off of your net resources. So, by your own admission, you make more money. However, you're saying it is for your business. Now, let me ask you a question. Did you bring in the paperwork from your sole proprietorship, like the tax return or anything?
Tension rises. He admits he can't provide health insurance, then says, I thought Obamacare was gone. The judge has to explain it like she's teaching a teenager. Private insurance is different from government coverage. This isn't just about child support. It's about stepping up, knowing your responsibilities, and handling the basics.
Your Honor.
Right. You got served. Did you read the paperwork you were served with?
I was at my concert. Guy handed me a piece of paper I was performing. That's about it.
So the answer is no, probably.
Correct.
Okay. Well, within that paperwork, when you're served, it tells you you're coming to court today, and these are some documents that you need to bring with you. Now, granted, everybody doesn't bring them, but
He tries to argue the kids should just live with him, but when pressed, he admits they actually stay with their mom. That one admission flips his whole defense. Because in custody law, it's residency that counts, not casual visits. What's written on paper is what matters in court.
this is what we're going to do. Until you bring something in here that shows this income is not yours, your person, it is for your business, Texas law says that it's a net resource. So it has to be included in your gross. Do you understand what that means?
What if I stop doing my fundraisers?
Well, you're currently doing it.
Then comes the bombshell. He confesses he hasn't filed taxes in 3 or 4 years. The entire room goes quiet. The judge holds back, but this is no small slip. Without tax documents, the court can't separate his business earnings from his personal income. That's a legal gray zone he does not want to be in.
Exactly what he was supposed to do. He came back to court, even though he fumbled around with it, he eventually told the truth, okay? So you got exactly what you wanted. So why are you being mean to him? Why are you being petty?
Sorry, it's just a lot of built up emotion.
Because
I
she's
haven't
single,
seen
Your
him.
Honor, that's all.
Huh?
She's single.
Oh, because so that's what it is. It's some hurt feelings because you bought that little bag.
A little jealousy. You heard what she said?
The judge makes it crystal clear. If you're posting about income and don't prove it's strictly business, the court will treat it as personal earnings. That one detail changes everything. Even if it's for his label, without proof, the numbers count against him.
So the fact that you know it is kind of disingenuous for you to come in here and act as though you didn't know it, because it doesn't look like you're no longer coming in here for the benefit of the kids. It looked like you just want to come in here and stick it to them and get more money off of them.
No, these kids are very expensive.
No, I don't disagree that children are very expensive. However, you can't play with unclean hands.
Toxic.
You know, excuse
Then the judge turns to her. She calls the mother out for being petty, making it about revenge instead of responsibility. That emotional moment shows something deeper: jealousy, pain, unfinished history. But this isn't therapy. Family court only cares about the kids, not grudges.
the $768 amount.
Okay.
Thank you for wasting our time today.
Thank you for showing up. Had you had been here last time, we wouldn't be going through this today.
Okay,
I just got served.
neither one of you kind of wasted my time fully being here today, because he needed to show up, obviously, to get the truth revealed for
truth.
what you already knew. So, you know, you can't throw shade at him without.
Finally, the ruling drops. The judge decides the extra income belongs to the business, not him personally. Child support stays the same. On top of that, he even gets credit for taking on health insurance. Legally, it's a sharp call. But emotionally, was it fair or frustrating? That's up to you.